Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I wanted to do another look using the Morphe and Jaclyn Hill Volume 2 palette. I know this look is pretty bold, but this is one of her looks using this palette, and I've been seeing a lot of yellow eyeshadow lately, so I thought I would give it a try. So if you want to see how I got it, then just keep watching. I'm starting off with a shade called Certified. It is just a nice nude color, and I'm just placing this all over my lid just to make sure everything is nice and even. Next, I'm taking the shade called Love Handles and placing it right above my crease, blending up just a little bit. This is going to be my transition shade. I always like to add a little bit and just build it until it's as dark as I want, and then I always take a clean fluffy brush just to make sure the edges are nice and blended. For my lid, I'm going to use the shade called No Joke and just use a flat, dense brush to pack it on. At first, I wasn't going to add anything to my crease, but I thought that it needed a little something, so now I'm going in with a shade called Feelin' Myself. Now I'm mixing Tipsy Girl and Lolly Mama and just buffing this all the way across my lower lash line. Next, I'm taking the shade called I'm In It and placing this on my brow bone just to highlight it, and then I'm also going to place it on my inner corner. So I'm going to be completely honest with y'all, 99.9% of the time I don't practice the looks that I do. I just sit down and film them. And as I mentioned before, this is one of Jaclyn's looks, and after I had it most of the way done, I looked at the picture and saw that hers was a little bit more yellow. So now I'm just going back in with a shade called No Joke just to kind of tone down the orange a little bit. And another last minute decision, I decided to take those two pink shades that I use for my lower lash line and take a flat brush and just line my top lash line. Now I'm going in with my favorite mascara, which is Man Eater by Tarte, and if you wanted to, you could add some false lashes. I think that would really make this look pop, but of course you don't have to. You can just end it with the mascara. And to finish off the look, I'm using the Tarte Rainforest of the Sea Color Splash Lipstick in the shade called Rum Punch. So that completes this look. I really like how it turned out. I think it is so fun. Kind of reminds me of the sunset, so I think it will be the perfect summer look. But hopefully y'all liked it too. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I make new videos every week. But I don't have anything else to say except thank you for watching, and I'll see you on my next video.